I'll be introducing a couple ways to utilize our audio whiteboarding solution, Strum. First, create a room, select an audio, then choose a workspace to begin. Drag and drop images and screenshots you want to share on the whiteboard. Discuss your thoughts and collaborate without any delay using your voice along with the annotation tools we provide. Let's add another whiteboard and copy and paste a URL this time. Press Focus Me function to instantly gather everyone's mouse cursor to your perspective. Quickly discuss and let's move on. You can drag and drop PDF files to visualize them on the board as well. Again, press Focus Me to gather teammates. Each file could be reviewed individually as it will be automatically uploaded to the File section at the menu bar on the left side of the screen. As we preserve original layout of the PDF files, you will be able to select and copy the text as well. Screen sharing is also available at the menu bar. Share your screen with the team and use annotation tools to instantaneously point out things you want to discuss. Every file and whiteboard will be saved on the server so that you and your teammates can revisit or track back to your work after the discussion is over. Now start exploring more features of Strum and visualize your online communication. Stop downloading, start sharing,